how strong the plastic actually is.
It's filling in the...
Randomly like
There we go. Now it's filling ours.
Now it's doing its thing. You probably could.
There it is. How excited is he?
Yay, finally.
It's like playing us a song, too, while it does it.
Like Russian.
Funny. Actually, like, when you,
Is it going to be hollow?
like,
Yeah, 30%.
30%? Okay.
What does that mean?
you do
It does a crosshatch pattern in the middle to give it structure. Whoa!
Whoa.
It just pulled the next layer off. So it apparently has pretty good pull strength.
You can press the top. It happens to whoever That's my fault. You want to watch music I use? You turn the music on camera.
Oh, I think it just tried to do the pattern. It's doing the 30% in between the walls.
Yeah, because it's like super small.
What is that?
It's not doing it.
It's filling it in.
It's filling it in, but it's not filling it in the right
small.
spot. It should be filling it in the void in the middle.
It's filling it in.
Oh, that's right. You did a pizza or a cookie
It's
cutter.
like a very thin.
Yeah.
Like that.
So it's doing 30% fill inside the thin wall.
Say probably 10%. I'll probably